Now, we are going to show you how QRapid's dashboard can help you to evaluate the evolution of your projects. For each of the data views that have been presented previously, showing the current quality assessment being accessible from the assessment menu option, the dashboard also provides the possibility of visualizing historical data. I'm going to introduce you one of the view mode options you have on the right side of the menu. This menu contains two option sets. We already used the two options groups on the left. The first one is for visualizing the quality graphically, and the second one for visualizing the quality in a textual way. For the two options grouped on the right, we use the first one to visualize the current assessment of your projects. And for the project evolution, we're going to use the second option on the right in order to visualize the historical data. For example, here in the Strategic Indicators view, we could use the fourth view menu option to see the historical data for each indicator. If we change to the Detailed Strategic Indicators view, you can see the evolution of all factors that impact on each one of the strategic indicators. For each strategic indicator, you can see the evolution of the evaluation in a certain time frame. If there are some problems, you could analyze if this has been a sporadic situation or if it's persistent in time. For example, for factors impacting in process performance, you can see that the testing performance, the green series, is the one being in the worst condition. If we go to the quality factors, the same kind of charts are used to see their evolution. For each factor, you can see the evolution of the metrics used to calculate it. If we go to metrics, since they are calculated directly from the data sources, the charts are like the ones used for Strategic Indicators view, one series per metric. For all the historical views we have seen, you can select the time frame you want to analyze by setting the from and to dates at the top of the view, just below the menu. The to date cannot be greater than today. The dashboard provides some predefined timeframes for historical data views. Those are this week, from this Monday, last 7 days, since 1 week ago, last 14 days, since 2 weeks ago, this month, since this month 1st, and this year, since January 1st. Remember that you can also see the historical data in a textual way, using the second option of the View Mode menu in the corresponding views. Like in the previous feature, you can navigate through the elements by clicking on their names. If you click on one strategic indicator name, you will see the historical view for the detailed strategic indicator for the same time frame. Once you click on the strategic indicator name, you will go to the historical view including only the factors impacting on it. And the same if you click on one of the factors' name, where you can see its metrics. If you are navigating through the elements by clicking on their names, the system is visualizing always the same time frame. If you use the Data View option from the menu, visualizing all the elements of each kind, the time frame is reset. That's the end of this video tutorial, where we have seen how QRapid's dashboard can help you to evaluate the evolution of your projects.